We're back to give you the legal edge. No Mow May is a beginning of summer effort to help the environment by saving lawnmower fuel and letting nature grow for a month. But as local attorney Brian Waldman from the Sinus Stramus law firm points out tonight, not every town is on board.
Unfortunately, participating in this No Mow May initiative can be very costly to some people. And that's because most cities and townships have ordinances that require people to maintain or cut their grass and lawn. And if the grass or weeds get to be above 6 to 8 inches, there's a fine assessed. And the fine's typically about $200 to $275. Those ordinances are in effect in May unless your city or township officially adopts a resolution saying we're not going to enforce those ordinances during the month of May. And to my knowledge, almost all of the cities that have suspended the enforcement of these ordinances are in Metro Detroit. Now, Ann Arbor has suspended its ordinance requiring that lawns be cut. The only city that I'm aware of in mid-Michigan that has fully embraced this initiative is East Lansing. It has fully suspended its ordinance requiring that lawns be cut for the entire month of May. Jackson has done so in a modified way. You don't have to cut the backyard, but you still have to maintain the front yard. And so check with your city, check with your township. I think you'll find that in most cases, they haven't adopted this policy so that they still are enforcing their ordinances. And if you don't maintain your lawn, you could be subject to a fine. And so if you want to participate in No Mow May, you may have to modify a little bit to avoid the fine, and you may end up with a 1 mow or a 2 mow May to try and participate, but avoid the costs associated with doing so.